shit real. I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
Hey neighbors, welcome back to another episode. Get out of here. Hey neighbors, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Night, and I'm back for another episode. So for today's video, well, it's 9:38 p.m. November 30th. You can't see it. It's not. Whatever, but it's November 30th. You lucky I got this damn flash on, mother sucker. Anyways. It is November 30th. I decided I'm going to kick December off with a week in my life. I'm not doing Vlogmas. I'm sorry. I am not doing Vlogmas. I don't have the patience for that, unfortunately. But what I am going to do is I'm going to post 25 YouTube shorts. But yeah. Want to say hi to my vlog?
What's happening, people? So like, hey, how y'all doing?
Okay.
I'm just, yeah.
So, yeah, I decided to do a week in my life. I'm going to record, I think I might just record Monday through Thursday, because I don't really do much. Like, if I'm not going to go to my mama's house, there's no point really recording Friday for it. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Anyways, so yeah. I'm just doing my intro now so I could just wake up 20 minutes or 10 minutes before my alarm, press record, go back to sleep, and get all the me waking up and stuff. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bells to be notified every time I post something new, and share these videos to your friends, your families, your loved ones, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, everybody, your dog, your cat, your lizard, your gecko, everybody, because I know. What?
I said, even your frog's grandma.
Can you repeat yourself?
I said, even your frog's grandma.
Funny. Yes, but not funny. Haha. Funny weird.
Anyways, and I'm going to be having my bonnet on. I'm looking at myself, so if I look a little cross-eyed, annoy it. But anyways, I'm going to be having my blog. What? I'm gonna be having my bonnet on for a couple of weeks. I just had a lace front in, so I'm just gonna let my hair breathe. But I don't got time, having my natural hair out for real like that. So y'all will be seeing me with a bonnet. And honestly, I don't give a fuck. Anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
The next day.
the next time I see y'all is gonna be like 6 or 7. Cause it's gonna take me like an hour or two to do school. So I'll see you guys when I see y'all. Not every night. I need to find my battery, cause the camera I got, my mom bought it on Amazon, and it comes with 2 batteries, but the charger only charges 1 battery at a time. So I need to try to find a battery charger that can charge both, and then get more batteries. Alright, if you guys are wondering what this white thing right here, it's a cold sword. Anyways, so I'm gonna, like I said before, my camera died, I'm gonna do my skincare and or care. Even though my face doesn't necessarily look like it needs to be washed, I'm gonna wash it. I have to go get some things. So first, I'm going to brush my teeth. I'd rather do that first before I do my lips, scrub my face. So my first step, I'm gonna go in with my oil cleanse. The only thing I don't like about this camera is, first of all, not only the flash won't turn off, but you kind of don't, like when the flash is on, it doesn't. Anyway, it's gonna do my oil cleanse, and I don't know where my thing is, so I'm just gonna. Alright, now I'm gonna brush my teeth. I don't really like. I don't wash all the oil cleanser so that it can still be in my mouth. Yeah. So my next step is the tongue scraper, but I low-key don't like using the regular tongue scraper, so now I just use the tongue scraper water bars. So there's still a water filter. And plus, I got damn near everything off the TikTok shop. Now, I'm gonna do the other faucet, 90s. No, I don't know. I think I might just do a wireless and do the tomorrow. So, or I should just, I don't know. Let's see if this hurts. It doesn't hurt. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do the whitening strips. And I don't know. I might try to do an hour. We'll see. Figure that. Like I said, everything I use is Granada. For some reason, it won't let me turn the flash off. Hold up. For some reason, I cannot turn the flash on while I'm recording. So, I stopped. But probably after this, I'm going to finish school, and then I'm going to edit some of the clips so that I can try to remove some of the clips so I can have room, because I only have one SD card right now. So, but that ain't gonna stop me. I'm still gonna record. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the whitening strips. So somebody said you're supposed to pull it. And I ain't gonna lie, my teeth might not look a little white now. First of all, it's too bright on this camera. But my journey is looking pretty good. Only been doing this for like, but yeah, I've been liking doing it. Rip. I've been liking doing this, and I noticed I choose higher than looking. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set the timer for, hey, bro. Alright guys, it's 60 minutes. I said 60 seconds. I'm about slow as hell. For an hour. Alright, now I'm going to do my lip scrub. I got this from TikTok Shop. Y'all think I'm lying. Almost everything I got is from TikTok Shop. My oral care, my lips. Well, at first I got the turmeric stuff for my face from TikTok Shop. Then I started getting on Amazon. But I got this from TikTok Shop. And this is the first lip scrub. My camera is not trying to focus. Anyway, this is the first lip scrub I ever got that's soft. Like most lip scrubs are sugar. On this, I don't know. I use my hands. But sometimes I'm going to be weird. And I try not to put it on my shoulder because it's soft, so it's very. But I do feel like lip lotion to kill it. Okay. Alright. So my lips are clean. But I can't put no lips gloss or stuff on it right now. I'm going to get a brush. Use turmeric. Just have rose water, colored acid, and turmeric. And I don't know, this one's from Walmart. I don't think this one really do that like on Amazon do. So I've been noticing like one on Amazon has like my skin right here, like peeled and they look lighter. No, that's the only way I started using turmeric. I already know this, so I'm not really breaking out for it. So I just started using it. And honestly, my face is good. And my last skincare routine, I use the base, the ice cream. But I did that minute, so I stopped my face with hot water. But I didn't use hot water over. Just for everybody else. So like the only wash I use for my face is literally turmeric and talcum. Like, literally. I don't use none of those. None of those. But I do when I eventually start using collagen, which is more so like Caribbean skincare. And yeah, it's gonna be from TikTok Shop. Alright. I'm gonna let my face dry. I'll be back. Alright, so now for my moisturizer, I'm gonna use Vaseline. And sometimes it's kind of hard because my face is cold, but I just dry my face off with paper towel so I didn't feel like bleeding. I'm trying to hurry up and finish my last class so really sweet. So maybe for the past 2 weeks, I'm gonna have to have like a bunch of Vaseline on the side of my lips. So y'all please hold up. Please. But I like having these whitening strips in my mouth because it makes me, I don't know, it makes me feel like I got some type of grills or something on. I'm just talking a certain way. I don't like it. Anyway, I had to make some room and delete it. Yeah, I'm going to have to do another SDD card. So I got, like I was saying, I got this, you can't see it, but it's Ledger, or Ledger, whatever. I got this from TikTok Shop as well. I like how it's like glossy, and it also like, but yeah, so I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. I'm not going to pick the camera back up, so good night, babies. Hey, Nightmares. It's the next day. I didn't record in the morning because right after they woke up and I did Savannah's baby hairs, and then they got on the bus, I went back to sleep. I be tired in the morning, okay? I'm not a morning person at all. At all. If it was up to me, my mornings would start at 1 o'clock p.m. So it is 2:48. And I was gonna, you know, get my camera like at 11 in the morning and make breakfast, but nah. So you guys are just gonna see me wash. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to have mommy in right here. That man right there. Because you didn't come back last night to go put it up in the room. And I wasn't gonna do it. I'm playing.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Anyways, I'm trying to have my man put a load in the washer, but he's not trying to do that because my iron is extremely low. I'm just like, I don't want to do nothing. I'm doing school right now, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna see if he'll let me record him putting. Oops. Yeah, I thought it stopped. That pressed something. I'm gonna see if he'll let me record him putting the clothes in the washer, and then he can record me putting the clothes in the dryer. So, I'll see you guys. Somebody need to come get Xavier before he get hurt. No! Always drinking my stuff. If you're watching this and you're in a relationship or you want to be in a relationship, don't, because it's like having an annoying sibling, but the only difference is you're not siblings. You can kiss.
Why you say it like that? What? You can kiss.
Stop drinking my juice.
Stop eating my food.
No, that's different. Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I needed to eat your food.
Man, I need to drink your drink.
No. Okay, I don't want to talk to you no more. Leave me alone. Anyways, I'm gonna make tacos.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you.
Hey, y'all better subscribe, or I'll come down your house and haunt you.
Right. That's JoJo Fantasy World. He kept trying to say something this whole entire time, and me and Bae kept saying, it's not recording, it's not recording, it's not recording. Look at this guy.
Are you zooming in?
Yeah.
And y'all haters better listen up. You haters are just jealous because you can't do it like that.
Right. Clock it.
To her! You want to be us,
Right.
but y'all can't.
Period.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that is
Don't
word.
Why'd you have to ruin that moment?
And that is words of affirmations from JoJo. That is words of affirmation from JoJo Fantasy Surreal. Y'all gotta check him out.
I'm almost.
Anyways, you have anything you want to say?
No.
Okay. So, I'm done cooking. The last plate, y'all saw me put some onions, lettuce, and tomatoes and avocados on is mine. So, I'm gonna go eat and I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Anyways, this light is so bright. It's 7:06. Oh, damn it. Hold up, wait. Technically, we could see. 7:06. I woke up at 5. I already got my Vienna on the bus. And then lay down a little bit. No, I feel like I to sleep. Go back to sleep. Hey Night Bears, I totally forgot I was recording. And I didn't pick up my camera at all. And now it is 8:38. December 3rd. But tomorrow I'm gonna post. Not post. Tomorrow I'm gonna record because tomorrow my sister's birthday. Huh? That now she at home. Mama, say hi to my Naya Bears. Bro, even though I barely be around my mama 24/7, I damn near be on the phone with her 24/7. Anyways, I forgot to record today.
Yes.
And we already ate.
Yeah. Oh my. The hair is growing. That oil is helping.
It is. Especially right here.
That oil is helping. What's that oil called?
I don't know. Beard moon.
What's it called? I don't know.
It's a beard moon.
Beard moon.
Yeah. But we will most definitely see results when like you go get a haircut and he cut it off and
What
then
if
we
we
cut it off.
cut it all off?
But I just wanted to let you guys know that I love you guys so much and I thank you guys for watching my channel and subscribing to my channel and liking my channel.
If y'all don't subscribe, y'all know I'm gonna come to y'all house.
Right in my face.
Alright, bet. Hold up. Alright, y'all. Here's a little clip of me being on your
What is this?
Stop. Unhand me, motherfucker. Come here.
What is that?
No. No. No.
Head walk. Got a head walk.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Hey, yo, what you trying to do?
Got me balls.
Wait, what? And on camera.
Why he running away? Yeah.
On 4K.
Alright. See?
Y'all heard that? 4K.
See you guys tomorrow.
Y'all better subscribe.
Shut
Right
up,
now.
bro.
Or I'll haunt you.
You're gonna scare my subscribers away. I'm gonna get a t-shirt have Joe talking about y'all better subscribe.
With a mean face on it.
Yeah.
I'll make
Look,
it
like this, like this. Oh, let me show you. Look like this.
When you be looking, when I be showing you on the camera or whatever, do you look at the lens or do you look right here?
I be looking both.
Same. Okay, I just wanted to do this.
And we're putting that on the video.
No, we're not.
Video.
You're not the editor.
Let me be that.
Okay, y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm going to record for my sister's birthday. What you looking at? Okay. What the hell? It's fine. Okay. It is Thursday, December the 4th. And I keep forgetting I'm recording. Mama, can you go get Janessa so I can put her on my vlog?
Huh?
Can you go get Janessa so I can put her on my vlog?
Alright, Nessa!
And I was gonna go over there, but I just started not feeling good in the morning, and I didn't have no bus money. So yeah, but I'm gonna get my sister and have her say hi, and you guys say happy birthday to her. Y'all better say happy birthday to her. She big 1'8". Period. I'll be back. Say hi, Nessa.
Hi.
Say it's my birthday. It's my birthday. She be in the big bag eating chicken wings.
Hi, Nessa. Happy birthday.
Oh, be a bitch.
Say it again. She didn't hear you.
Hi, Nessa. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
To tell my vlog something. Tell them what's gonna happen next year.
What do you mean?
Tell them.
We eating next year.
No, what's gonna happen next year?
I don't know. What are you talking about?
The TV. It has something to do with what's on the TV. And where he at.
What?
You think you're not thinking? Next year we should record a video at us at WrestleMania on our YouTube channel.
Oh, that's the greatest idea ever.
Like the vlog I get
Oh.
ready for NXT and WrestleMania.
Well, I'm just gonna go with one. They want to go to both, and like it's expensive.
Hey, he's paying for the NXT.
Wait, what? Hold on. I didn't say I was paying all for it.
I said the NXT thing.
Oh.
When
Well, I
when
don't
is
even know if
NXT?
It's like 10 a.m.
No, like what?
Huh?
When?
On this, like, April
Like-
18th.
Yeah, the 18th.
Well, something is wrong with my camera.
And WrestleMania's on the 18th and the
There we
19th.
go.
Like, if we got like $1 million, people go to SmackDown Las Vegas.
No. But yeah. And I failed miserably doing Vlogmas shorts. It's like I don't really have no ideas. Like,
I hope.
so you guys are getting this vlog for me, and then maybe another time I'm recording the vlog. So turns out I'm not going to the dentist Saturday, but Saturday I am gonna go to my auntie's house to watch her grandbabies. So I'm not gonna post that because I don't want to post other people's children on my shit. So I mean on my YouTube channel. So especially without their consent.
You guys like ASMR?
I'll see you guys later.
Woo! Woo!
Neighbors, let us know if y'all want us to start recording on our couple channel and come to like a couple channel nighttime routine. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I said I'll see y'all later.
Yeah, we about to say.
Come on.
It's okay to leave him alone. Let him be.
Pretend we're there.
Nessa, look
You
alive.
got the light on.
Look happy, Nessa. Smile.
Maybe when you
I
got the
already
light
gonna do it. You already know I'm gonna do it.
Are you guys ready? My arm kind of hurt.
The black version?
A black version.
Y'all ready?
Okay.
Y'all ready? What?
Okay.
That's a camera. She camera.
Oh, she got the whole microphone camera?
Yeah.
Oh, she's trying to get famous.
All right. She got a whole camera. Yo, she blocking us, everybody.
She didn't know she had the camera.
Yeah, she blocked. No, I can't turn it.
They see you, Nina, and
They
that.
see you, Nina. Oh, Lord, the bonnet. Oh, we got our bonnets on. Oh, Lord. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. So I don't really have so much time, so I'm just gonna talk fast, and if I don't be able to say everything, I'm gonna do another clip. But right now, I'm gonna go to my mom's house for a little. So I'm not gonna take my camera. The lighting's horrible. I'm not gonna take my camera because I'm just gonna be over there for Saturday and Sunday. Well, technically just Sunday because I'm going to my auntie house Saturday to watch her grandbabies. But anyways, I'm not gonna bring my camera, but I am going to bring the iPad and edit some of the stuff. So therefore, I get to take the rest of the footage and edit. So this might be pretty much all for the vlog. I might try to record a little TikTok shop haul because I'm trying to order some more stuff on TikTok shop. So yeah, but anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those posts and notifications on so you notified every time I post a new. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and let me know if you guys want another one, and next time I'm gonna try my best to remember how I'm recording. I love you guys. Mwah.